When YouTube invites you to New York as a featured creator, you book the flights immediately. Welcome to the craziest creator week of my life. The event was on a Wednesday night, so I got there on Tuesday night and spent Wednesday morning exploring the city. My friend and I went to Chinatown where we had tea and dim sum.
Hey, Art by Alice, how do you feel about this tea?
And then we went to a Taiwanese dessert place. I then continued to walk around Chinatown, dropped by a bookstore, and of course, I had to go to Brooklyn Bridge. I finally got to Brooklyn Bridge, and I have to say, the view was absolutely stunning. It was clear and sunny out, so I could even see the Statue of Liberty from afar. It was, however, quite windy, so I did also spend half of that trek fighting my hair. I arrived at Brooklyn, ate even more food, then walked along the shoreline towards the hotel where the YouTube event was going to be. Not gonna lie, I was actually kind of nervous going into the hotel cause I didn't know what to expect. Since I was a featured creator, I was allowed to arrive early to set up my art station, which basically involved me spreading my art supplies in my allocated corner and then going off to explore the venue. We're getting so much content out of this. I then went to claim my creator name tag and then the event officially started. I was given the opportunity to show off my art as I talked to other creators and people in the creative industry, and also got the opportunity to apply a lot of good food to my face. Then for dinner, I was seated at a table where I got to talk to more people and apply even more good food to my face. I had so much fun and learned so much from everyone I met, and also spent a long time drooling over the cake that my friend made, which we couldn't eat because it was made of styrofoam. The evening was sadly over, but I still had a few more days to explore New York. I went to this Sichuan restaurant and got absolutely destroyed by how spicy it was. I also went to a custom stamp shop, a jewelry store, and a super cute stationery store. My sticker addiction was not letting me leave this place. Alright, prepare yourself because I'm about to show you every single random cool building I pointed my camera at, and all the good food I ate in between.